Neşe, what were you going to ask us?
Can we go and buy a whale today, Daddy?
You say a whale?
I did. Well, see, a whale, for example, we can put it into an inflatable pool. Then that way I can explain to them all about whales.
Well, so let me ask you this. What size should the inflatable pool be to fit a whale in it, Neşe, huh?
Well, I think a pool that large won't fit in our garden.
Why don't you draw a whale first?
A great idea! You can draw it on some paper in my room and explain it to them that way.
Perfect! I'm gonna go draw them right away. The biggest animal in the world, whale. A whale, the largest animal on Earth. I'll draw a whale swimming in a blue ocean.
The largest in the world, the ocean, is a place it calls home. It makes a gigantic wave, and its name is a whale. It is so huge, but the food it eats is small. It breathes like a human. What's its name? It's a whale. Sings a song to the seas, all the seas are its dwelling. Its heart is as big as a tree. What's its name? It's a whale. What's its name? It is a whale.
This is great! I drew a whale! Minnie and Manny will be so happy.
Manny, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Manny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every day.